Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to expand recovery partition in MBR system partition. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type reagent /info. Type reagent /disable. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR. Type select disk 0. Type list part. Select primary Partition, select part 2. Type shrink desired equal to 250 minimum equal to 250. Select recovery partition, select part 3. Type del part override. Type create partition primary ID equal to 27. Type format quick fs equal to ntfs label equal to Windows RE tools. Type reagent /enable. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.